Okay, today we're going to look at the Wix oil filter, number 51348, and the Microgard oil filter, number MGL 51348. And you get both of these at O'Reilly Auto Parts. The Wix costs $10.49, and the Microgard costs $5.49. And these two are going to duke it out. Could get rough, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. It looks like it's tablet. You gotta glue it nice and tight. Get your inner ear. Filtration of 99 here. Okay, let's start with the Wix oil filter. Open her up. You got a date code of 031821G2. Made in USA. She has 7 inlet holes, silicone anti-drain back valve. See a bypass valve down below, and a metal inner core with louvers. Check out the O-ring. It's a nitrile rubber O-ring, and it's on there pretty good. Yeah, it's on there good. It's nice. Check out the Microgard. And the date code 091720DG. Also made in USA. Maximum efficiency, maximum protection. She also has 7 inlet holes. They're elongated though. See a bypass valve. Metal core with louvers. And O-ring. Nitrile rubber O-ring. And it's also on there very good. Yeah, this is on there real good. Can't even get it off. Alright, she's staying on there. Maybe I'll get it off later. Yeah. Alright, they're both Wix made filters, but I want to check the difference out. There's a $5 difference in price, so let's see what the big difference is inside of them. I can see the base plates are different. Well, let's cut these babies open and see what's inside. Okay, they're both cut open, and let's get their weight. The Microgard weighs 9.2 ounces. The Wix weighs 8.6 ounces. Let's check their base plates. The Microgard weighs 4.4 ounces, and the Wix weighs 3.8 ounces. There's a little difference in the weight here. The Microgard weighs a little more. They both got the same amount of threads that I can see, but I think the Microgard might be a little bit thicker. The holes, I don't know, they look a little smaller, but they're elongated, so they should equal out, I would think. But they're both nice base plates. They got nice O-rings on them. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice and fine. Okay, we got rubber anti-drain back valve versus on the Wix silicone anti-drain back valve. So that's where part of the $5 goes, I guess. Also, I got some more to show you anyways about where the $5 goes. Right here. Very sloppy. Sloppy. I counted 54 pleats with a glued seam. Metal end caps with a lot of glue on them. A lot of excess glue. And this is supposed to be cellulose media with a micron rating of 95% at 29 microns. And all the specs I give you guys, I got either on Rock Auto or O'Reilly's or at the Wix website itself. The can. leaf spring. I couldn't understand this. Stamped leaf spring. Pretty sure these came with coil springs. And I'll show you, look on the box. Steel coil spring. And it says right, you look right here in the picture, coil spring. What's going on, folks? And that's not the only surprise. Another one I found was on this Wix filter. Stamp leaf spring also, the same one. I thought these came with coil springs too. All right, let's see. On this one here, the Wix, you got your crimped metal seam. I counted 62 pleats. It's a little bit cleaner. It's actually a lot cleaner. Metal end caps. It's a little bit of glue, but nothing bad. You got a bypass here with a setting of 8 to 11 psi. And this is an enhanced cellulose media. Yeah. Let's see what the difference on the weight is here. These guys. Here's your Wix, 2.7 ounces. 2.8 ounces, probably the extra glue there. Without the extra glue, it probably would have came out even. How about the cans? 1.6 ounces. 1.6 ounces. Yeah, it's just a base plate, I think, was I'm not even gonna bother measuring these cans. They're the same thing. The same. They're probably around 4 or 5. I'll measure these filter medias though. Come on, inches. I like inches. 2.3 inches. 2.60 inches. 2.41 inches. 2.09 inches. 2.62 inches. Yeah, 2.48. They're about the same thing. Let's see. Yeah, they're pretty close. They got the same kind of, metal end caps. Yeah. Bypass valve settings are probably both the same. Just this one's sloppier. I mean, same metal core. Filter media is a little bit lighter on this. Well, it's hard to tell. They look pretty much the same. But I'm going to say this Wix is longer because it's got more pleats. What do you guys think? Well, you know what? Let's open these babies up and see how long they are. Okay, here they are stretched out. And your Wix filter is 49 inches long. And your Microgard is 43 inches long. Here they are zoomed out. Okay, and here's the seams. And she ripped on me a little bit when I was taking her apart, but here's the Wix. And here's the Microgard. And I forgot to give you guys numbers on the filtration on the Wix. The Rock Auto website says 99% at 23 microns. And the Wix website says a nominal micron rating of 21. I'll put it all on the screen anyways. Okay, and we'll look at these guys. Okay, the only difference I see is you got a silicone versus a rubber, if I can grab it. There. You got rubber versus silicone. The base plates, I would give them a tie. They seem, both about the same. These guys, they're the same except for the sloppiness. Now, I don't know what's with the leaf springs. These stamp leaf springs. I thought they always came with coil springs. I mean, is this something that's going to go over to the Wix XP line too? I hope not. I hope they stay with the coil springs. What do you guys think? I prefer the coil springs. Anyways, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.